What's up, guys? So I'm here on this beautiful marsh. I've been here a couple of times just observing, and I've seen green woodpeckers, great spotted woodpeckers, warblers, and on occasion I've seen a buzzard as well. So this is a really exciting area. I was hoping to get some photos of the willow warbler, so we'll see if I can find it. I can already hear it in the forest, so that's a good thing. But yeah, this is just a really nice place. It's so quiet. There's not a lot of wind today, so you can really hear all the small birds singing in the forest. So a great day to be out. So I've been here for about 30 minutes now, just listening and observing, and I think I'm gonna head in to the forest right here because there's a blackbird singing. I can hear the willow warbler, and in general it just looks like a nice spot. So let's do that. I've been sitting here for about an hour now, a little over an hour, and I haven't seen a single bird. I hear the blackbird, I hear the willow warbler far away, and a couple of chaffinches, but that's it. But I haven't seen anything, so I'm gonna pack up again and move a little bit further in on the marsh. I see some birds right up here. I think it's the willow warbler. Yes, I think it is. I need to get my camera out right now. I can see it now. It's right ahead. First time ever photographing the willow warbler, and in such beautiful light. The light lasted for about 10 minutes and then it disappeared. So we got really lucky. That was so nice. Now the sun is behind some clouds, but it should come back and we should get maybe another 20, maybe 30 minutes at max with some beautiful light. So I'm just gonna sit here against this tree and just enjoy the quietness. The willow warbler, nice. We might get some more photos. Such a nice bird. But it's so fast. It's so fast. It's always in between the bushes. Impossible to focus on. So, yeah, this was really, really nice. That was so nice. I got some truly amazing photos and exactly the situations that I was looking for. So now I'm so happy. I cannot wait to check out the photos, but I think they turn out great. I got some far away. I got some photos of the warbler flapping its wings. It was eating some insects, looking for food. And I also got some really, really close-up portraits. Some of them were too close. I could not even focus with my 500 with the 1.4 teleconverter on. But I mean, you cannot complain because that is just amazing to be out here in nature in camouflage and not disturb the bird and just have an amazing intimate moment. What a day. I'm so happy right now. It started out really bad when I was in the forest. It was so quiet. I could hear birds. I didn't see anything, so I started to feel like this was not going to be the day. But then I headed back down to the marsh again and I decided to just relax against that tree while I was listening to birds. And I wasn't really thinking about getting photos anymore. And that's when they showed up. So it just goes to show that putting in the effort, putting in the time really does pay off in the long end. So yeah, wow. I'm just amazed.